हमको विश करने आ रही है बिहू। आइए।
Hello, Papan.
ऑन टाइम एंड ऑल, क्या बात।
Yes, so punctual. I've been waiting. Alarm was put and I was waiting to join you.
थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे ना, मेरा क्या हो रहा है, आप सबका तो इंटरनेट खराब नहीं हो सकता, तो सब जो नीचे आते बफर सा दिखता है, सब ऐसा तो
Oh,
नहीं हो सकता। आपका तो ठीक है इंटरनेट।
I hope. अभी
यस,
life is only going well because of the internet. Otherwise तो मुश्किल हो
आई
जाएगी.
आई नो, आज ही मैं सोचा था। एनीवे, वेलकम टू
Thank you, Papan.
बिहू। दिस इज द,
Yes,
इस साल ऐसे बिहू करना पड़ रहा है हमें, सो
I know. And I have a special wish to you and all the people who are watching and all the people from Assam. বহাগ বিহু আৰু নতুন বছরের আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা থাকিল. Was it right?
ভেরি ভেরি নাইস, থেংক ইউ সো মাচ। আৰু চব ভালে আছা? বাচন ধুইছা, ঘৰ চাফা কৰিছা, খানা
Oof,
ৰান্ধিছা?
full on. Basun Dhoila, Safai, everything is happening. Trust me, I've never been that busy in life. I was just telling you. This has been the busiest ever. Lockdown is really teaching you a lot of basics in life, and to be honest, it's a little tiring for sure, but I'm enjoying doing things on my own, and doing things with your own hands just lets you feel a little bit more in control of your own life, which is good. I think I'm enjoying this part. This part
या,
of it I'm enjoying, surely.
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू, एवरीवन इज एंड एवरीवन शुड। ये भी है कि कोई पेशेंस रखे। मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि टाइम लग सकता है इसको, जो हुआ है ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ दुनिया में।
Absolutely.
तो हमें पेशेंस रखना है, बहुत चीजें, प्रायोरिटीज भी रीथिंक करना है। इसके बाद चीजें बदलेंगी कुछ शायद,
Yes,
बट
I
इट विल
think
हैपन फॉर बेटर, बिकॉज अच्छा ही होता है जो होता है, कुछ तो फाइनल अच्छा ही होता है।
कुछ अच्छा होगा। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबको, as you were just saying, that this has let us all rethink of our priorities, our lives. This has let us be with our families, sit with our families. You know, you were just telling that how you're spending time with your kids and your wife, you're not traveling. So am I. All the musicians here, we are all doing the same, and spending time with your loved ones is such a rarity in these times. And we are getting to do that. So I think वो pause बहुत जरूरी था एक तरह से. Although I feel at this very same time I'm feeling extremely disturbed with all the we are the privileged ones. We have a lot of facilities to be in this lockdown and not worry much. But बहुत ज़्यादा, it's very painful to watch people who are stuck and they're not able to do a lot of things because of the lockdown, and they're in serious trouble. So as people, we are doing our bit with the donations, and but I hope that we can do more. And I feel this Bihu brings in a new year, and it's my prayer because Bihu, like Baisakhi, Vishu, Poila Boishakh, lot of different communities are
Praying
Puthandu
together,
bolte
yeah,
hai
yeah,
Tamil
yeah.
Nadu mein. We are all hoping that this now the year feels like it has probably started now, and let the gods be generous to us and have mercy, and good things happen. Positivity लेके आए बस, और उसका
बस,
बस
हाँ।
ये कोरोना बंद कर दे, कोरोना और चाइना.
आर कोरोना। ठीक है, तो आप आ ही गए तो कुछ तो सुनाएंगे।
Hmm.
हैं?
Ah, you know that.
मैंने कुछ भेजा था आपको, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हर्ड इट एंड
Of course.
ये
What
दे।
do you think? How excited I am.
इट्स वन
I
ऑफ
don't know
माय,
what I'm.
इट्स अ बीहू, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट वंस, सबको बोल रहा हूँ। एंड सो आई विल सिंग द फर्स्ट पार्ट, क्योंकि नहीं तो हम लेटेंसी रहेगा, एक साथ नहीं गा सकते।
Yes,
एंड
yes.
सिंग द नेक्स्ट वन, ओके?
And before even this is a surprise for sure for people who are going to listen to me. This is the first time I'm going to be doing something like this. और इसके बोलते हुए मैं आपको फंसाने वाली हूँ लाइव में. पावन, मैंने कितने बार बोला है कि मुझे ये ऐसा रिकॉर्ड करना है और तुमने किया नहीं है. मेरे को वादे पे वादे किए हैं, कभी नहीं निभाया है. So now you're stuck. This is a promise you're going to make publicly, that you're going to make me sing some Assamese folk or your composition or anything. You're going to make me sing.
Done. 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 Yeah, very soon. I think इसी बार करते हैं। आप भी अभी जो टाइम मिल रहा है, we'll do it now only.
हाँ, अभी
Okay.
कर लो. ठीक है, let's do it.
Done. Thank you. अब मैं भी पब्लिकली बोल के फंस गई हूँ, तो अब मैं जब भेजूंगा ना, अब
मैं तो
नहीं गाया
तैयार
ना।
हूँ, मैं तो भूखी हूँ. Please, go ahead.
Done. So happy. brighter side to whatever happened in Corona. Okay. Olalo tumalo jimane, olalo moromo na soni, olalo tumalo jimane. Is the scale okay?
I'll follow you. I'm learning with you. Come on. I'm okay with this.
Olalo moromo na soni, olalo anolo kimane na. Lalo yaha kohora korai.
Oh,
Lalo nira kaha koila. Lalo yaha kohora korai. Lalo nira kaha koila. Lalo tumar khoman nuro ki nai.
oh. मेरा जवाब तो सुन लो पापन. ओ लालो तुम्हारे बेजारात. Olalo zapedim bomputat. Olalo tumare bezarat. Olalo zapedim bomputat. Olalo hutonu teni nibo. Olalo hutenu utu ai nibo. Fine?
एकदम.
आगे इरशाद.
Okay.
Olalo mohoy golibo. Olalo hare hoy pusibo. Olalo mohoy golibo. Olalo hare hoy pusibo. Olalo masenta tani khabo.
Hi. So nice. क्या बोलूं?
मैंने ऐसे तैयारी एग्जाम की जैसे तैयारी की है जैसे आने के पहले इंस्टा लाइव में पहले कभी एग्जाम की तैयारी नहीं की है मैंने.
Hi, so serious, so nice, Shreya. This is so good. Thank you so much. We must do this live someday.
Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा. No. You're doing it so perfect.
Oh God, this tune you gave. Of course, you gave me this tune, and so nice people who are watching. All the people who are watching. Papan actually मुझे ना audio note ऐसे WhatsApp पे करके भेजा उसने, and I've been listening to it on a loop because he sounds so beautiful. It's organic, no? There is no music behind. It's just Papan's voice, and I'm just listening to it. सीख भी रही हूँ बहाने में ऐसे loop पे चल रहा है. बहुत sweet. It's such a beautiful song. And I mean, you have done so many folk songs like this, Bihu, and so many Assam का music को enrich किया है आपकी आवाज में. So I feel extremely honored that I could do this with you, but I will love to do something more, official, है ना?
We must. और मुझे बिहू के नाम पे वो करना है ना, आपको एक गामूसा पहनाना, ठीक है? पहना देता हूँ.
पहना दो. मैं ढूंढ रही थी, मेरे पास है बहुत सारे. अभी वो कबर्ड की ऐसी सफाई हुई है कि मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. So I couldn't find it in time, but I do have, and I have preserved all these. Every time I've gone to Assam, I've had so much love. The hat and the gamusa. Both I have so many of those.
Japi and gamusa.
Japi and gamusa. They have all been kept with a lot of love, but it's just somewhere I couldn't find it in time. Anyway,
okay.
people, everyone who are watching Bihu का बहुत प्यार, और may this year be seriously very positive and a lot of prosperity comes in your lives. May this difficult time pass very soon, and stay strong. Try to stay happy and productive, and do your bit. Stay home. Keep social distancing. Follow all the rules. Only then we can make this Bihu even more successful and beautiful. So do your bit, guys, है ना, Papa? You're with me on that.
And दीपक पंडित जी बोल रहे हैं. दीपक पंडित जी आए, वो बोल रहे हैं केमन आछो, मुझे भी पहनाओ.
अरे क्या बात है, मुझे भी पहनाओ दीपक जी. Hello जी. Oh God, there are so many nice messages. I missed all of them.
I know. I'll read. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, Shreya. I'm sure everyone's so happy. You have made everyone's evening happy by coming here. Suddenly, I see like people are going brrr, like, and obviously that's what you are. So,
oh no, please, thank you. And I'm so glad. I hope that this is going to continue. And even though I'm going to leave this chat, but I'm going to watch up. और क्या कर रहे हो, क्या गा रहे हो? I'm a big fan of Papan. Everybody knows that. So continue your magic or spread karo, Papan.
थैंक यू। वेरी स्वीट, थैंक्स अ लॉट। बाय, आपको मैं अभी छोड़ूंगा। हाँ, हो
Okay,
गई।
bye.
बाय बाय। बाय
Bye.
बाय।